So when I bought the apartment in November of 2017, I was equal parts excited and terrified because I realized that it was a very small space, and I wanted to find a designer who could take it apart and maximize the space and maximize the views while not sacrificing ample storage for all of my things, wall space to hang my art. And I went to Max and described my challenge, and he seemed to think that it was totally doable, and I trusted him to figure out a way to make it work. The bookcases were basically built into the wall surrounding the living space. Accommodate most of my books, which is a necessity, but also they're low enough that they don't compromise the view from the three main windows. The bedroom is built on a podium so that you step up from the living room up into the bedroom, and that affords actually a lot of storage space. That the use of blue and the wood tones in the apartment strike a really nice balance between sort of contemporary and traditional, which is exactly what I was keen to achieve. The minute you walk in the front door, you can actually see out that window through the kitchen and see the harbor. The team listened to my comments at the very beginning, I think very carefully, and understood what I was trying to achieve, and did a really good job of reflecting that in the design.